Hi, my name is Piotr, and I'll be talking at Focus on the blockchain next week in Bucharest. It is my view that cryptocurrencies are fundamentally experiments on a large scale trying to solve the hard problem, which is how to get people to form consensus on a large scale, especially when there's large amounts of money involved. The technology behind the cryptocurrencies, especially the newer generations, is all experimental. But what will come out of them will be extremely useful for society as a whole. When BitTorrent came out in the 90s, the music industry tried to aggressively shut it down as they saw it as a threat to their business model and the American way of life. What has happened since then is that the technology behind BitTorrent, peer-to-peer file sharing, has been incorporated into everyday devices and processes. Microsoft, in Windows 10, uses peer-to-peer for software updates. It is my view that the technologies that are being currently pioneered at scale by cryptocurrencies will be pulled into enterprise software in the near future. I look forward to seeing you all next week.